Hello everybody, it's such a beautiful day up here in the mountains, and last night we were cooking and we were ready to start the dishwasher and it wouldn't start. So we tried to press the buttons and the start button and nothing would start. No lights would come on. So Rhonda checked the breaker was good, and now I'm just going to check the power going to the dishwasher, check the receptacle, make sure we got power there, and go from there. We'll see what's wrong with it, why the lights are not coming on. Maybe the board went out, who knows. We'll look for the easiest things first. Okay, here we go. Okay, so here we are under the sink. This is the garbage disposal. And here's your outlet right there that we're going to check. That's the power to the dishwasher. This is the connector to the dishwasher. So we're going to check there, see if we're getting 110 volts, 120 volts, and go from there. Okay, so I have my meter right here, and I have it, I'm going to put it on alternating current, because that's what it is. It's alternating current. This is direct current, it's direct, so it's straight, and alternating current, that's the wave, the symbol for alternating current. And so we're going to put this in a place that we can see it. And we're going to go right in there. Go on one side. And then go on the other side. And it doesn't look like we have power there. We only have 10 volts. So let's go check out that breaker again. Okay, and let's check this one here. We'll disconnect this. And we'll check the power in here. One in there, and one in there. And we do have power there. 123.5. And let's go. So yeah, we have power there. I'm probably just not touching it right. Power there. Yep, we have power on the top too. I just wasn't making good contact. Yep. That's the top one. So yeah, we have good power there, so definitely see what else went out. As you can see, the lights came back on, like it got reset. So let's press this, see what happens. Normal wash, and then press start. And there we go. I didn't have to do anything else. Okay. You can see we have a little magnet here, so when the dishes are dirty, we put this up. But when they're clean, we put this up. So I started the dishwasher, so they're going to be clean after this. So I'll just leave it on clean. Alright, what is it doing here? It's supposed to be washing. See if I hear the water coming in. Sometimes it takes a while. A lot of glare. Sorry about the glare, guys. Oh, there you go. I think we're going to be good. Cool. Glad it wasn't the board. Okay. Or a pump. Or what else could it be? Just the power to the board. Okay, so we're good here, guys. That's it. Short video. Happy. Now on to something else.